Teen Millionaires, 7 Wealth Habits. Adults are ignoring. Rachel Zietz reached $1 million in revenue before her 16th birthday as the founder of Gladiator Lacrosse. What if I told you that teenagers, some as young as 14, are quietly stacking millions? Not through inheritance, not luck, but by using smarter money strategies than most adults even know exist. According to Business Insider, there are now over 1,700 teen millionaires in the US, and many more rising globally. They're not prodigies or trust fund kids. They're builders, crafting digital products, scaling online brands, and investing early. In this video, I'll break down the exact blueprint these teens are following, and later, I'll reveal the one mindset shift that quietly separates them from adults who struggle financially for decades. Let's decode what they know, so you can apply it now, no matter your age. Why are teens creating wealth while most adults can't escape the paycheck-to-paycheck trap? Strategy 1. Get the right financial playbook. Most people were handed the wrong financial playbook with these instructions. Go to school, get a job, work for 40 years, retire at 65. Does that sound familiar? Meanwhile, a growing number of teens are becoming financially independent before they even graduate. They're bypassing the 9-to-5 grind and building businesses in months, not decades. The problem isn't that these teens are lucky, it's that they learn to think differently. The average adult is trapped in outdated beliefs about money, debt, and time. But these teens, they operate on systems, speed, and leverage. If you're tired of doing everything right and still getting nowhere financially, this video will change your outlook and possibly your life. What if your hobby could become your first business? Strategy 2. Monetize curiosity early. Teen millionaires often start by turning interest into income. They don't wait for college or credentials. They start where they are. Take Ben Pasternak, a 15-year-old from Australia who built an app that was acquired for millions. It began as a side project to help friends. That curiosity turned into capital. Or Rachel Zietz, who launched a lacrosse gear company at 13 and hit 7 figures in revenue by high school. The point? You don't need a perfect idea, just the courage to act on what excites you. Curiosity fuels action, and action creates opportunity. Are you using social media to scroll or to scale? Strategy 3. Use the internet as a launchpad. Teen millionaires don't just use the internet, they exploit its leverage. From Etsy to TikTok, YouTube to Shopify, the internet has removed all barriers. No need for a storefront, no gatekeepers, no resume required. Michaela Ulmer started by selling lemonade in her front yard. Today, her brand, Me and the Bees, is in Whole Foods and Target, all thanks to viral marketing and smart product scaling. While most adults are chasing jobs, these teens are chasing reach. The platform economy has flipped the game. If you're not monetizing online, you're leaving your wealth on the table. You're never too young to start an empire and never too old to chase a new dream. What if you reinvested instead of rewarding yourself with every dollar? Strategy 4. Reinvest relentlessly. Most teens don't have bills, debt, or families to support. That's a massive advantage. Instead of spending profits on shoes or gadgets, they reinvest in growth, ads, branding, mentorship, and better products. The result? Compounding success. This is how a $100 side hustle can snowball into a $100,000 business in 2 to 3 years. Adults often miss this. They earn and spend. Teens? They earn and scale. And that's the wealth gap nobody talks about. Who do you talk money with, and are they pulling you forward or holding you back? Strategy 5. Build smart networks. Teen millionaires seek out rooms, digital or real, where people think big. They're joining Discord masterminds, Reddit forums, and online incubators. Many are skipping traditional mentors and going straight to peer-to-peer growth circles. Jalen Bledsoe, who started a tech company at 12, credits early exposure to high-level thinkers as the reason he scaled to a multi-million-dollar enterprise by 18. Your income is the average of your 5 closest economic influences. So, the question of the day: do you know the economic average of your circle? Comment below. Is your money building more money or just sitting there? Strategy 6. Make money work early. Teen millionaires don't just hustle, they invest. Whether it's index funds, fractional shares, or reinvested business profits, they start early. They understand that compound interest rewards the early and punishes the late. According to the 2024 Fidelity Gen Z investing study, 68% of Gen Z investors started before age 20, and those who started before 18 had 5 times higher returns by 25. While adults procrastinate, investing until later, teens are letting time do the heavy lifting. What's the one belief that teen millionaires live by that most adults never adopt? Strategy 7. The breakthrough mindset. Ownership thinking. Teen millionaires don't wait for permission. They don't blame school, parents, or government. They ask, what can I build today? How do I create value? They know success is their responsibility. No one's coming to save them, and that's empowering. Adults who adopt this mindset unlock new levels of action. They stop reacting to life and start designing it. This isn't about being fearless. It's about being responsible with your time, your choices, and your money. What do real success stories from teen millionaires reveal about the new wealth landscape? Real-world stats and success stories. Jalen Bledsoe built a tech company at 12 and expanded it into a consultancy by age 18, serving major Fortune 500 clients. According to Forbes, over 60% of teen entrepreneurs say they learned business from YouTube and TikTok, not school. Mark Twain says, "Don't let schooling interfere with your education." That's a staggering shift in how knowledge is accessed and applied. In the past, starting a business required mentors, capital, and college degrees. Now, a smartphone and relentless drive are enough to launch global brands. Take Michaela Ulmer, who turned her grandmother's lemonade recipe into Me and the Bees Lemonade, a company now selling in over 1,500 stores nationwide before she turned 16. Or Mosiah Bridges, who started Mo's Bows at age 9 and went on to land a deal with the NBA. These aren't just one-off miracles. They're proof that with digital tools, strong vision, and faith, age is no barrier to financial legacy. The traditional path is no longer the only path, and in many cases, it's not the smartest one. Now that you know how today's teen millionaires are rewriting the rules of wealth, and most importantly, they don't play the old game, they create a new one. You're going to need to know what's the next move that takes your income from stagnant to scalable. If you don't know this strategy, you will spend the next 20 years trading time for money, while others scale freedom on autopilot. Because they discovered one strategy you didn't. This one powerful strategy is revealed in my next video. Let's unlock the next level of your wealth journey. The Money Opulence Way. See you in our next video.